What's up YouTube, it's your boy Junior here bringing another great video to the channel. If this is your first time here guys, I suggest, and I do mean highly suggest, you go ahead and click on the subscribe button and enable bell notifications so you guys get notified every time we drop great videos like this one or whenever we go live. Because trust me guys, you never ever want to miss out on anything we do on here. We do a lot of great things, and today is another month for free games from PlayStation subscribers. As you see, I got my PlayStation set up in the back right now. I'm ready to show you what free games is showing for the month of October, Halloween month, 2024. So you can check out what the free games are this month and see if you want to go get it. I'm gonna go ahead and shrink myself down now because I know you don't want to see my big old head on the screen. So let me go and shrink myself down now so you guys can see everything else. And as you see, we're in my PlayStation thing. So if you get out of here, you go back to the main screen. All you gotta do is go over to your PlayStation Plus or Essential or Extra, whatever you're subscribed to right now. I'm only in Essential because I didn't see the perks of keeping Premium or Extra, so I went down to Central. So once you go in here, open that up, it'll bring you here. You want to scroll over to monthly games right here. I know they have two, but we go with the first one. And here, this is the main game that they're talking about today, which is WWF 2K24, and it's for the PlayStation 5 and PlayStation 4 cross-generation edition, and this is free until November 5th 2024 at 12 p.m. After that, you're gonna have to pay the full price of $70, guys. $70. You don't want to pay for that. So what we're gonna do is add it to my library. Once added to my library, that means it's saved in my library. As long as I keep my subscription active, I can access this game anytime I want. Alright, and as you see, this game was released back in March 8, 2024, which I don't think that's true because they usually come out with the 2K24, 25, whatever year, the year before, a couple months before the new year. So pretty sure this came out earlier. As you see, there's a pretty hefty big game. It's almost 138 gigs of hard drive space, so it takes up a lot of space. You scroll down, you can get some screenshots on how the game looks. If you are a WWE, oh, this isn't WWF, this is WWE. Sorry, I made a mistake on that one. I'm not a big wrestling person. Actually, what I was saying is, if you are a big wrestling person, then you might enjoy this game. You got a lot of great people on here that you can check out and play the game and have fun. I'm not a wrestling person, so this is not a game for me, but I'm still gonna get it because I do have family and friends that do like this, so they can play this at any time they want. Alright, so if you scroll down more, you got some video stuff here that you can watch of the game itself. And if you scroll down a little bit more, you get the add-ons that you can upgrade your edition. So as you see, we get the free edition as the standard edition, but if you want to go and upgrade to the deluxe edition, we have to pay an extra $50. And if you want to go for the 40-year WrestleMania edition, you're going to pay $120. So this price is up to you if you want to get those, but if you get the standard edition, it is free as long as you're subscribed to the PSN. Alright, and down here you got some add-ons that you can add on to the game itself. You can check them out all here, guys. All these are all add-ons. Alright, I don't have to really go over this game. This is all it is wrestling. You go ahead and wrestle. I like playing wrestling games at times, but I'm not a wrestling watcher, if you know what I'm saying. So a couple of things that they do is you do play online. You can push up to 8 players online. And like I mentioned, it is almost 138 gigs of hard drive space, so it's pretty big. Okay, so let's get out of here and check out what the other games are. Alright, so when you go to monthly games for that one, I guess they give you the highlighted game of that month there. But if you go over, scroll over one more here, I'll give you all the games that are for free. So we're gonna go and click that one open. As we did go over the whole WWE 2K24. The next game for free is called Dead Space, and this one's only for the PlayStation 5. We're gonna open that up, and it's free again to November 5th 2024 at 12 p.m. After that, this game is gonna cost you $70 if you did want to get this game. So what I'm gonna do, guess what? Add it to my collection because I do not want to pay $70. Because this is a game I think I might be interested because I like these RPG games type, and that's the thing. That's what it is. I'm probably gonna end up streaming this just before our Black Ops 6 comes out, so we'll see. But actually, probably not. Black Ops 6 comes out in a couple weeks. I'm not missing out on that. So it's $70. This one's a lot smaller. Takes up a little bit over 31 gigs of hard drive space, so it's manageable to install it. If you scroll down, you get some video shots of what it is. You could go scroll this, and then you got some screenshots of the game itself. Okay, so it looks like an interesting game, something I would play. I'll probably end up playing it just to see how it is, because like I said, sometimes I play too much Call of Duty. I want to switch it up a little bit. And then here, you got some more videos and some add-ons probably. You can check it out here. Some trailers. Here are the upgraded ones. You get the free one for the standard edition, but if you want the digital deluxe edition, it's going to cost you extra $80, guys. So up to you if you want to do it, but if not, just stick with the standard edition. You'll be all set. The only difference is that, it just maxed out for me. It'll come back up. I do apologize. There you go. It's my capture card is acting funky sometimes, but it's okay. If you did get the upgraded version, what you get is 3 unique suits and 2 suit textures. So that's all it is. So if you don't care about that, then you're fine with the standard edition. That's for free. Alright, and then you got some reviews here. It's a 1-player game. You only play offline. It's not an online game. So once you're done with the campaign, you're done. The game, you can delete it, erase it, forget about it, or keep it. It's up to you. But there you guys go. You can have a description. Isaac Clarke is an everyman engineer on a mission to repair the vast mining ship, the USG. I have no idea what that is. Ishimura, only to discover something has gone wrong. The ship crew has been slaughtered, and Isaac's beloved partner Nicole is lost somewhere on board. So it's more like I want to say like what's that game called? Well, the girl is lost in the woods, and then she finds a guy. I forget the name of it, but yeah, that's what it is. It looks pretty good. I'll probably play it just to play it. All right, this game did come out back on January 27, 2023, so it's almost a year old. It's almost 2 years old. Sorry, I completely did the math wrong. My math wasn't mathing. Just put it that way. All right, so that's the information for this game. It's only a 1-player game, so you can play by yourself. You don't have to worry about anybody else playing with you. Alright, so let's get out here and check out the last game for this month of October 2024. Free games. Alright, so you got this one right here for the PS5 and PS4. This is called the DOKI Literature Club Plus. It looks like an animated game. It might be for women only. I don't know. Let's open it up and see what this is about. So again, this game is going to be for free until November 5th, 2024 at 12 p.m. After that, you're going to have to pay the full price of $15. So if you want to get it, I'm going to add it to my library now just to add it. I don't know what it is, but like I tell you, every time I get new games, I add it just so I can have it. And if I want to play, I can play it anytime I want. Alright, so that's added to my collection. So this one's a really small game. This is only a 4.12 gigabyte hard drive space of a game space. That's not a lot. Here's some screenshots here if you want to take a look at it of the game. It looks like a little animated game. Ooh, I clicked out of it. Sorry. Look like an animated game. I want to say it's like a Pokemon game, but like for a woman type of thing. You just pick options and see what happens next. All right. Okay. Enter the #1 psychology horror experience. Welcome to the terrifying world of poetry and romance. Write poems for your crush and erase any mistakes along the way to ensure your perfect ending. Now is your chance to discover that DDLC is one of the most beloved psychology horror games of the decade. You can take that with a grain of salt and do what you want with that. If it's something that you might enjoy, you might enjoy it. But this game came out back on June 30th, 2021, so it's over 3 years old. And there you guys go. Those are the 3 games that they have free this month of October 2024. Let's recap of the games. We got DOKI Literature Club Plus. Then we have Dead Space. And then we have WWE 2K24. And WWE and DOKI are for both PlayStation 5 and PlayStation 4. But Dead Space is only for PS5, guys. So those are your free 3 games this month of PSN subscribers. Alright guys, so that's it for today. If you enjoyed this video and everything I had to show you today, go ahead and give me a big old thumbs up. Show me all the love and support that you guys left to show the channel. Also, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and enable bell notifications so you guys get notified every time we drop great videos like this one or whenever we go live. Because trust me guys, you never ever want to miss out. And if you have any questions, comments, or concerns, put them in the comment box down below. Let me know what you guys want to know, and we'll take it from there. Alright guys, till next time, I'm out of here. Peace.